Have you been tasked with increasing your boiler's efficiency? Burners need to be tuned to the optimal air-to-fuel ratio to achieve efficient combustion in boilers, furnaces, and other industrial equipment. Is your facility regulated for emissions, or are you facing efficiency goals? If so, how do you get started? You'll need accurate measurement of air and fuel flow to the burner to tune for optimal burner performance. That's where Fox Thermal comes in. We offer accurate flow meters for a direct mass flow measurement which does not require temperature and pressure compensation for density changes within a combustion process. This trusted and cost-effective technology has low flow sensitivity and a fast response time. In time, you'll see your maintenance costs go down with optimized burners. But why stop there? Fox flow meters have a no moving parts design to further reduce your maintenance costs. To learn more about flow meters used in burner efficiency applications, click the link in the video description or visit our website at foxthermal.com. Make downtime a thing of the past with Fox Thermal, the industry leader in thermal mass flow measurement.